Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at how to use Monday.com Whiteboard. Let's face it, managing projects without the right tools feels like trying to herd cats while blindfolded. That is where Monday.com swoops in like a superhero in a blazer. In the simplest terms, it is a project and team management tool that helps you get your stuff together without needing a whiteboard, 42 spreadsheets, or psychic powers to figure out who is doing what. It is like a digital headquarters where you and your team can plan, assign tasks, set deadlines, and actually see what is going on, all in one place. And it looks good doing it. With colorful dashboards, easy to use boards, and satisfying progress bars, Monday.com somehow makes project tracking feel less like a chore and more like leveling up in a video game. When you land on the Monday.com website, you will see a menu at the top with four main sections: products, solutions, resources, and pricing. And each one is like a different ISO in a very organized digital productivity supermarket. Products. What it is: a collection of specialized tools built on Monday.com's platform, each designed to handle different areas of work. Solutions. What it is: pre-built use cases tailored for different departments and industries. Resources. What it is: a library of support materials, tutorials, and learning tools to help you master Monday.com. Pricing. What it is: the list of available subscription plans, each offering different levels of features. What is included? Free, basic tools for individuals or very small teams. Basic, simple project tracking for small teams. This is $9 per seat per month. Standard, more features for collaboration and automation. Most popular. This is $12 seat per month. Pro, advanced analytics, integrations, and custom workflows. This is $19 seat per month. Enterprise, premium support and security for large organizations. To access the Monday.com Whiteboard dashboard, start by heading over to the main website. At the top of the homepage, you'll spot a button that says Get Started. Go ahead and click it. It is your gateway to productivity and possibly mid-obsession with color-coded tasks. Next, you will be greeted with a warm Welcome to Monday.com message and asked to enter your email. You have two choices here. 1. Continue with Google. Great for the lazy geniuses among us. Or 2. Enter your email manually for those who still like doing things the classic way. For this demo, I'm going with Google because, well, convenience wins. But you do you. Once you have entered your email or sign in, hit continue, and you'll be directed to the next screen. Now you'll see the friendly question. Hey there, what brings you here today? Honestly, I am here for work, but choose the option that best fits your own reason. After that, you'll be asked what best describes your current role. Pick the one that matches you the closest, then click continue again. Next up, you will choose what you'd like to manage first. This could be tasks, projects, or your sanity. Sadly, only the first two are listed. Once you've selected your preference, hit continue. Then comes the part where you select what you'd like to focus on first. There are several great options, but no pressure. Just pick the one that feels most relevant to you and keep moving forward. And finally, yes, we're almost there. They will ask, how did you hear about us? I personally heard about Monday.com on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you, algorithm overlords. But feel free to pick the option that fits you. Then, once more for the people in the back, click continue. Boom, you are in. Welcome to the land of organization, teamwork, and charts that make you look way more productive than you feel. Next up, you will see a prompt asking, who else on your team? If you're working with others, you can invite teammates by entering their email address and clicking Invite Your Team. But since this is just a tutorial and not a team building exercise, we will go ahead and click Remind Me Later and move on. No offense to imaginary co-workers. Now it is time to rename your project. Give it a meaningful name, something more exciting than click Next. You will then be asked to select the relevant columns for your board. These are things like task, name, status, due date, etc. Once you are happy with your setup, click Next again. You will then see a section titled get real-time insights with Dashboard. This feature is great for tracking progress, but for now, just go ahead and click Next to keep things moving. Now you'll be asked to add a view layout. Think of this like choosing how you want your data to look: table, timeline, calendar, etc. But again, since we are on a mission to use the whiteboard, just have a quick scroll, pick something or don't, and then click Get Started. You are now officially on your Monday.com dashboard. This is the default board that Monday sets up for you, but we won't be using it because today's agenda doesn't involve making a table. We are here for the whiteboard. To get there, head to the main workspace, usually on the left-hand sidebar, and look for the plus button. Click it, then choose Board. Next, select Start with a template. You will now see a search bar. Type in Whiteboard and choose the whiteboard template that pops up. Once selected, you will see a canvas full of shapes, colors, text boxes, and all the tools you need to start brainstorming like a pro. Simply click Use Template to begin. You are in. Your whiteboard is ready for you to start sketching out ideas, planning projects, or just doodling if it is that kind of day. Once you are inside Monday.com's whiteboard, the first thing you will want to do is maximize the board to give yourself a nice, spacious area to work with. Because let's face it, ideas need room to breathe. On the left-hand corner, you'll see a variety of tools. Start with the Color button, which lets you choose the color for your text or drawings. For example, I will go with green, because why not add a little spring to the screen? Next, click the T icon to add text to your board. Just type whatever you want into the box that appears. If you want to draw instead of type, click the pencil icon and you'll be able to scribble freely in the color you chose earlier. If you decide to switch things up, just select a new color, say red, and add another place of text or drawing. Everything from the point on will match your new choice. Now let us say you want to add an image. Monday.com makes that easy too. Simply copy and paste an image URL. And once you have found the perfect visual for your whiteboard, just hit Add and it will appear on your canvas. If you make a mistake or want to clean things up, deleting elements is simple. Click the arrow icon on the left, drag it over the items you want to remove, and then click the trash icon. Finally, when you are done and happy with your created masterpiece, look to the top right corner for the download icon. Click that and your whiteboard will be saved directly to your downloads folder. A perfect snapshot of your productivity in action. And that is all there is on how to use Monday.com Whiteboard. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.